Hello, I am T. Barry. Before we start, please note that the information provided in this video is for general educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Do not disregard professional medical advice or delay seeking it because of something you have seen here. Thirsty for something new? And no, it's not kale juice. Okay, people, raise your hand if you're tired of the same old drinks. Water's great, don't get me wrong. But sometimes you want a little pizzazz, you know? Coffee is my go-to, obviously. But let's be honest, we could all use a break from the caffeine jitter sometimes. So what's a thirsty soul? Looking for something new and exciting to do. Hold on to your hats, folks, because I've got the answer: hibiscus tea. Yep, you heard me right. That beautiful flower that looks like it belongs in a tropical paradise. It makes one heck of a drink. And trust me, this isn't your grandma's sleepy time tea. Hibiscus tea is tangy, it's refreshing, and it's packed with more health benefits than you can shake a stick at. We're talking about a beverage that's both delicious and good for you. Now that's something I can get behind. So buckle up, tea lovers, because we're about to dive headfirst into the wonderful world of hibiscus tea. Thanks for subscribing and liking the video. I appreciate you. From pharaohs to your fancy teacup, a hibiscus tale. You might be surprised to learn that hibiscus tea has been around for ages. We're talking centuries, people. The ancient Egyptians were big fans, and those guys knew a thing or two about, well, everything. They used hibiscus for all sorts of things: medicine, love potions, you name it. Rumor has it that Cleopatra herself swore by hibiscus tea for its beauty benefits. And let's be real, if it was good enough for Cleopatra, it's good enough for us. But here's a fun fact that'll really blow your mind. Hibiscus tea isn't actually tea at all. I know, mind blown. It's actually an herbal infusion, meaning it's made from steeping parts of the hibiscus plant, usually the flowers, in hot water. But hey, who's keeping track? Tea, infusion, whatever you call it, this stuff is delicious and good for you. And that's all that really matters, right? This tea's got your back and your teeth, heart, and waistline. Okay, let's talk about the good stuff. The health benefits. Hibiscus tea isn't just a drink. It's a lifestyle choice that can transform your well-being. Hibiscus tea is like the overachiever of the beverage world. It's not content with just tasting good. Oh no, it wants to be your go-to for health and happiness. This tea is on a mission to improve your life in every way possible. From your morning routine to your evening wind down, hibiscus tea has got you covered. First up, let's talk about your pearly whites. Now, your smile is one of the first things people notice, and hibiscus tea can help keep it bright and healthy. Hibiscus tea is a natural source of fluoride, which means it can help keep those cavities at bay. It's like having a mini dentist in your cup. So ditch the sugary sodas and grab yourself a glass of hibiscus tea instead. Not only will your teeth thank you, but your taste buds will too. You know, your dentist will thank you. But wait, there's more. Hibiscus tea isn't just about dental health. Hibiscus tea is also a diuretic, which means it can help flush out excess water weight. It's a natural way to feel lighter and more comfortable. So if you're feeling a little bloated, a cup or two of this magical elixir might just do the trick. It's like a gentle cleanse for your body. And if that wasn't enough, hibiscus tea is also packed with antioxidants, those little superheroes that fight off free radicals and protect your cells from damage. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your health. We're talking about serious health benefits here, people. Antioxidants are crucial for maintaining your overall health and well-being, from boosting your immune system to reducing your risk of chronic diseases. Hibiscus tea is like a superhero in a mug. So next time you're looking for a drink that does it all, reach for hibiscus tea. Your body will thank you. Section 4. Easy. Does it? How much? Hibiscus is too much hibiscus. Now I know what you're thinking. If a little hibiscus tea is good, then a lot must be even better, right? Well, hold your horses there, buckaroo. As with all good things in life, moderation is key. Hibiscus tea is generally safe for most people to enjoy. But if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor before adding anything new to your diet, just to be on the safe side. For most folks, a cup or two of hibiscus tea a day is a good starting point. You can always adjust the amount based on your own individual needs and preferences. Just listen to your body and don't go overboard. Remember, too much of a good thing can sometimes backfire, and nobody wants to be running to the bathroom every 5 minutes, am I right? Section 5. Brewing up a storm, but not literally, please. Alright, now that you're practically experts on the wonders of hibiscus tea, let's talk about how to make the perfect cup. It's a delightful process that combines simplicity with a touch of elegance. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. Even if you're new to tea brewing, you'll find this process quite straightforward and enjoyable. First things first, you're going to need some dried hibiscus flowers. These vibrant petals are the heart and soul of your tea. You can find these at most health food stores or online. They are quite accessible and often come in convenient packages. Once you've got your hands on some hibiscus goodness, simply add a few teaspoons to a teapot or mug. The amount can vary depending on how strong you like your tea. Next, pour boiling water over the flowers and let them steep for 5 to 10 minutes. This is where the magic happens, as the water extracts the rich flavors and vibrant color. The longer you steep, the stronger the flavor will be. If you prefer a milder taste, you can steep for a shorter time. I personally like mine on the stronger side, but you do you. It's all about finding that perfect balance that suits your palate. Once the tea is finished steeping, strain out the flowers and sweeten the taste. This step ensures a smooth and enjoyable drinking experience. Honey, agave, or even a little bit of sugar, all work well. Each sweetener brings its own unique touch to the tea. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, try adding a squeeze of lemon or lime juice for a citrusy twist. This adds a refreshing zing that complements the tartness of the hibiscus. You've just brewed yourself a delicious and healthy cup of hibiscus tea. It's not just a drink, it's an experience that soothes the soul. Congratulations, you're officially a tea master. Enjoy your creation and share it with friends and family. Cheers to your new tea brewing skills. Section 6. Hibiscus. Heroes. Tales from the tea drinking trenches. Now I know what you're thinking. Ellen, this all sounds great, but does hibiscus tea really live up to the hype? Is it just another fad? Or is there something truly special about it? And to that, I say, oh, honey, you better believe it. Hibiscus tea is not just a drink. It's an experience, a lifestyle, and a little bit of magic in a cup. Don't just take my word for it, though. The proof is in the pudding, or in this case, on the tea. I've rounded up some real-life testimonials from actual hibiscus tea drinkers. These are their stories, their experiences, and their transformations. First up, we have Brenda from Boise, Idaho. Brenda is a busy mom of 3 who was looking for a way to boost her energy and improve her health. Brenda writes, "I started drinking hibiscus tea a few months ago, and let me tell you, this stuff is life-changing. I was skeptical at first, but now I can't imagine my life without it. My skin is glowing, my hair is shinier, and I swear I've even lost a few pounds. It's like a little miracle in a cup. I'm telling everyone I know about this miracle tea. It's become a staple in my daily routine, and I can't recommend it enough." Next, we have John from Jacksonville, Florida. John was a self-proclaimed soda addict who was looking for a healthier alternative. John says, "I used to be a soda addict, but then I discovered hibiscus tea and I haven't touched the fizzy stuff since. It's been a game changer for me. This tea is so refreshing and flavorful, and it's actually good for me. What's not to love? It's helped me cut down on sugar and feel more energized throughout the day." And finally, we have Maria from Madrid, Spain. Maria is a lifelong tea lover who discovered hibiscus tea on a trip to the Caribbean. Maria writes, "I've always been a tea lover, but hibiscus tea is my new favorite. It's the perfect blend of tart and sweet, and it's so refreshing. It's the perfect afternoon pick-me-up, and it helps me relax after a long day. I love the ritual of brewing it and watching the vibrant red color unfold. Plus, it's so beautiful to look at. The deep red color is just stunning, and it makes me feel like I'm treating myself to something special. I love watching the flowers unfurl in the hot water. It's a small moment of beauty in my day that I look forward to." Section 7. Join the hibiscus hype. It's time to get steep. So there you have it, folks. Hibiscus tea. It's delicious, it's healthy, and it's got a history as rich and vibrant as its color. From ancient Egyptian pharaohs to modern-day tea enthusiasts, people all over the world have been enjoying the benefits of this amazing beverage for centuries. And now it's your turn to join the hibiscus hype. Head to your local health food store or hop online and grab yourself some dried hibiscus flowers. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you. Here's a fun challenge for you. Try hibiscus tea for a week, just 1 week, and then come back here and tell me it's not the most amazing, delicious, and life-changing beverage you've ever had. I dare you. Thanks for subscribing and liking the video. I appreciate you.